This is Jordan's freshman year at Shaw University. Everything was going well until he went to his first college party and got a little too drunk. Let's go to the party. Where are you going? You drank too much. No. You're gonna rake. Tell me where I'll come and get you. Just park. Just stay right there. Jordan. Hello? Hello? Jordan.
Hello? I'm fine. I'm not drunk. I'll be okay.
Jordan! Oh my gosh! Are you okay? Jordan! Jordan! Oh my God! Oh my God! Help! Somebody help! Jordan! Jordan, wake up! 1 in every 5 teenagers. 60% of all teen deaths are alcohol related.
8 teenagers died due to drinking and driving.
This is Jordan's freshman year at Shaw University. Everything was going well until he went to his first college party and got a little. Let's go to the party. Where are you going? You drank too much. No. You're gonna rake. No. Tell me where I'll come and get you. Just park. Just stay right there. Jordan. Hello? Hello? Jordan.
Hello? I'm fine. I'm not drunk. I'll be okay.
Jordan! Oh my gosh! Are you okay? Jordan! Jordan! Oh my God! Oh my God! Help! Somebody help! Jordan! Jordan, wake up! 1 in every 5 teenagers remember. 60% of all teen deaths are alcohol related.
Every day, 8 teenagers died due to drinking and driving.